Looking for the best bandsaw? If so, you've landed on the right place. With a new bandsaw in hand, you are finally ready to begin making that cabinet or other woodworking project you want to start. But where do you start? Which is the best bandsaw for you? Finding the best bandsaw for your needs can be difficult. However, taking time to research, test, and evaluate the best options available can make all the difference between being able to get your project completed and being forced to put it off until later. So which bandsaws are the best bandsaws on the market this year? And more importantly, which products deserve top-notch customer reviews on Amazon? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. This video will help you rank your options with information, and this review will help you find the right tool for your residential or commercial needs. Let's dive into the best bandsaws. Number 1. DeWalt DCS 374B Cordless Portable Bandsaw. This DCS 374B is a portable bandsaw that provides 5 inches cutting capacity to cut various materials like pipe, strut, plastic, angle iron, etc. It has an LED light with 20-second delay to illuminate your workplace and allows you to have accurate cutting. The variable speed trigger and dial will provide control and versatility. The 20V max battery pairs well with the brushless motor powering the saw to ensure it cuts through materials with ease. This deep cut bandsaw is capable of 149 cuts with 14 TPI blade. One can easily hang this saw with its integrated hang hook without getting any damage to the front handle or base. The tool-less blade changing lever will loosen the blade tension to have quick and easy blade changes. Number 2. Riken 10-3061 Best Bandsaw. Surprisingly, the top-rated bandsaw on this list also comes from the least experienced manufacturer, with Riken being founded less than a decade ago. That said, the Riken 10-3061 Deluxe bandsaw easily offers equivalent or better performance compared to other inexpensive models. This bandsaw's excellent performance begins with its motor, which is the most powerful reviewed, generating half HP and pushing an impressive 5.5 amps. To make full use of this power, the Riken 10-3061 Deluxe bandsaw also runs its blade at the speed reviewed at 3280 fpm, perfect for dense hardwoods. Even better, this bandsaw ensures that you do not need to limit yourself to just cutting wood, as it sports a variable speed with a minimum speed of 1515 fpm. The Riken 10-3061 Deluxe bandsaw further expands its versatility with a table that can not only bevel 45 degrees in one direction but 5 degrees in the opposite direction. This bandsaw exceeds its competitors in other ways to ensure that, if you get a well-made one, you will not regret it, like with a good 5 saw capacity. Number 3. Jet 14 Inches Deluxe Pro Bandsaw Kit. This is a high-quality bandsaw that can cut through any wood you throw at it, and, for the record, metal as well. This bandsaw is extra precise and offers a 2-tier speed function so that you can optimize your woodcutting depending on the material. From a full cast iron frame, this machine will last a lifetime. Also, this saw comes with all the safety features you could ask for, such as blade guards, cast iron frame, and a see-through window. Number 4. WEN 3962. Though it continues to grow its reputation, WEN is still not one of the more well-known companies on the market, despite almost 7 decades of experience. Part of this might be due to its focus on consumer-grade power tools, but this allows the WEN 3962 bandsaw to shine on this list. For starters, this bandsaw boasts one of the more powerful motors reviewed, generating a 3rd HP and pushing 3.5 amps, allowing it to more easily cut through denser hardwoods. However, you do not have to limit yourself to wood with the WEN 3962 bandsaw thanks to its variable blade speed that runs at 1520 fpm and 2620 fpm. While still not a professional-grade bandsaw, this entry offers some of the best cutting capacities seen with a sizable resaw of 6. As if that were not enough, the WEN 3962 bandsaw also boasts the widest maximum cutting width on this list at 9.75 thanks to the largest table measuring 14 1/8 x 12.5. To appeal to its consumer-grade market, this bandsaw also comes equipped with a flexible work light that helps illuminate your cut to maintain accuracy throughout. The WEN 3962 bandsaw also offers a bit of versatility with cleanup, as its 3-in-1 dust port accepts vac hoses of 1.75, 2.75, and 4 in diameter. While this bandsaw provides plenty of advantages over the competition, one area where it falls behind is in the precision department due to a preference for 3/4 blades. It also does not help that, despite being a consumer-grade product, the WEN 3962 bandsaw can be more difficult to adjust than the competition. Number 5. Anvil Store Bandsaw. The brand Anvil is well known for providing the best deep-cut bandsaws that last pretty long. Their bandsaw is capable of cutting a wide range of materials that include copper, steel, aluminum, iron, and PVC. You can use it for commercial, residential, and DIY projects. It is equipped with a 10 amp motor that is specially designed for cutting the materials without any burrs or sparks. It comes with ergonomic and soft grip, which makes it comfortable to use, even for longer durations. You can adjust the saw blade guard blade to prevent jamming. Selecting the best item from a group of choices is a difficult job. You can easily purchase these products and say bye to all your worries. If you need more information and if you know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.